safety requirements. Closed-toed shoes and long pants are required in the machine shop. All jewelry must be removed. Long hair and clothing must be tied back. And don't forget your safety glasses. Before using the lathe, lubricate it with oil as shown. To adjust the tailstock, tighten the bolt as shown here. Take the shaft you're working on and attach the lathe log to it. Tighten the lathe log securely on the shaft. Place the end of the lathe log into a U-shaped notch in the chuck. Using the hand wheel, adjust the sliding end of the tailstock to where the shaft is securely held in place. Tighten the handle on top of the tailstock. Secure your cutting tool as shown. Adjust the cutting tool even with the shaft. Draw a line of chalk on the shaft. Bring the cutting piece to where it just touches the chalk. Rotate the shaft to ensure that chalk is removed but not shaft material. On the hand cross feed, set the depth of cut to 0. Using the hand cross feed, back the cutting tool away from the shaft and use the longitudinal feed handle to bring the cutting tool to your starting point. Following the chart on the lathe, use the levers on the change gear to adjust the feed rate. Adjust the depth of cut on the hand crossfeed. Hit the start button on the far left. The rotational speed must be adjusted while the lathe is on. Do so by turning the variable speed drive control. Begin cutting by turning the longitudinal feed handle. When you've finished, back the cutting tool away from the shaft. Be sure to clean up your workstation by brushing off any metal pieces. Lubricate the lathe with the oil again. Here are a few final important safety requirements. Never walk away while the lathe is running. Do not touch a moving lathe. Do not place tools on the lathe. Pay attention to your surroundings. If you're unsure of anything else, ask your instructor.